Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the eSIM on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now keep in mind, even if you delete the eSIM, that doesn't necessarily mean you have deleted or canceled your service. You also need to contact the service carrier and cancel the service. To delete your eSIM, you have two different options. We can head into the settings, and you can see cellular here. You can tap on that, and then just scroll down. You might have multiple different eSIMs. If you do, you might need to tap on that specific line that you wanted to delete. But in my case, I have AT&T. Now, one option is if you just wanted to disable this for a bit, but you don't want to completely delete out the eSIM, you just don't want to use it for a bit, you can always choose to turn this line off. By doing so, it essentially disables it, but it doesn't delete the ability to easily re-enable it. Because if you wanted to add the eSIM back, you have to contact the carrier, get a new QR code, all that. However, if you did want to fully delete that eSIM, all you need to do is find the eSIM on here and then just hit delete eSIM. It will say this eSIM will be deleted and no longer associated with this phone. The cell plan will not be canceled. Contact AT&T or your carrier to get a new SIM card if you want one. So just hit the delete option. If this doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for some instances and some carriers, you can also delete it by going back to the very beginning, and we're going to tap on General, and then scroll down to the bottom and hit Transfer or Reset iPhone. After we've done that, let's choose the Reset option, and you can see here is Delete All eSIMs. I can tap on that button, and then just enter in the code for my phone here. And you can see it says these eSIMs will be deleted from your phone. Just hit the delete all eSIMs, and this definitely works. However, keep in mind certain settings will prevent you from deleting that eSIM. The two big culprits, if you're having issues with removing it, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. One is if you scroll down and find screen time and tap on that. And if you scroll down to content and privacy restrictions, if this is turned on, it could prevent you from deleting that eSIM because there's screen time restrictions. So just turn that off. You might need a passcode to be able to turn it off. The other place I would recommend checking is let's go back to the very beginning of the settings. And then from here, tap on General and then scroll down to the very bottom. You can see VPN and device management. Now, if this is a phone that you got from a school or a workplace, it might have a device management profile, which means somebody else can kind of oversee or manage this phone. If there is a profile in there, they could prevent you from deleting that eSIM. And in that case, you can always just swipe down from the top right and turn airplane mode on. Essentially, this removes any connection between your phone and any cell service carrier for as long as you want. You can still have Wi-Fi turned on and Bluetooth turned on, even though airplane mode is turned on. It just won't be connected to your cell carrier at that time. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.